back to 20 car. The 2026 Nissan GT-R R36 Nismo Unofficial concept arrives as Japan's thunderous response to European supercars. Its exterior exudes muscular confidence, with a sharpened aerodynamic kit, deep air intakes, and a rear spoiler sculpted for maximum downforce. The mirror-finished bodywork gleams like a katana blade under moonlight. Inside, the dashboard is a futuristic command hub. A widescreen digital cluster dominates the driver's vision, while carbon accents and Alcantara wrap every surface. The rear cabin, though minimal, reflects GT-R's racing DNA with bucket-style comfort for passengers. At its heart beats a twin-turbo V6 hybrid system, rumored to generate 850 horsepower. This technological titan rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers height in just 2.5 seconds, with launch control designed to feel like a slingshot. Its fiercest rivals include the Toyota GR Super Sport, Porsche 911 Turbo S, and Acura NSX Type S. Yet the GT-R carries something more: heritage born from street and track battles. Expected pricing begins at $220,000, making it a relative bargain among the supercar elite. The R36 Nismo is raw speed sculpted into a Japanese legend.